Hello everybody and welcome to a session from Hot Tools. Today we're going to be using the volumizer to dry the hair and give it volume, and then we're going to follow that with the 32mm Evolve styler to create S-waves. So the first thing that we've done is prep the hair. Now what I've used here is a thermally activated protection lotion, followed by a thermally activated setting lotion to help me give root lift and to hold the curls in place. Okay, what I've done then is I've used the volumizer to give myself volume. We'll comb this down nice and smooth and into place. Here we go. There we go. What we've used here is the volumizer. As you can see, it's oval in shape, and this allows me to use the narrow part to get right into the roots of the hair. It's got a wide vented barrel to blow dry the hair from inside out to give us maximum elevation and maximum lift, whilst the bristles give it massive amount of shine and smoothness. So I blow dried the hair using this throughout the style. As I say, using this, I'm just going to switch over now to the left hand and you get a clear view. So using the narrow part of the brush, let's just brush it through. So using the narrow part of the brush, we get that right in to the roots to give it maximum lift. The blow dry then blow dries the hair from the inside out, and we get maximum elevation and shine and finish. So as I said, I've used that throughout the whole head of hair to give me this gorgeous shine and plenty of volume. Now here we have the 32mm Evolve styler. Now I've already set the temperature here at 165. You do that by dialing this switch here and taking it in right from 100. You can take it right up to 220. I'm dialing in 165 degrees because that's what I want to use today on my model. The on and off switch is here, so I've turned it on, and this is now fully illuminated. That says this is now ready for use. You will also hear an audible bleep when it hits the temperature that you've set. Now we're calling this the S-wave, not just because of the result that it gives us, but the actual method that we use to make the S-wave. So we take a vertical subsection. Horizontally, I've got quite a lot of hair, as you can see there. So I'm just going to smooth this out with my comb. It's better if the section's smooth and then we don't iron in any folds. Now what we do is we take the hair around the outside of the barrel, take it to the roots, and then just nice and gently come out from there. Nice gliding all the way out to the ends at a slight angle, and we take this section, as you can see there, we take this section all in the same direction. So we start at the bottom here and we work right the way around until we've got an oval shape left in the top. So we don't do that way and that way, we actually go all the way around in the same direction. So again, we've taken the horizontal section here. Now I'm just going to take my sub-vertical section there. I'm going to take that around the styler, like that. Just take it into the roots nice and gently. And keep it no tension on the hair at all, so that the hair just gently comes through the blade, nice and smooth, right the way from the roots to the tips, giving this very, very soft, gentle wave. Now I'm going to carry this all the way through now to this front section, so around the outside of the barrel, keeping it flat as well, very similar to when I discussed using the curl bar, keeping a flat wrap section, nice and smooth, all the way out to the very tips of the hair, and then just let it fall, because we want a gentle wave, nice and soft wave, around, in, down to the roots, just position it nicely in the blade. You've got 22% extra of length of blade with this product, so you've got plenty of blade for any length of hair go all the way through nice and smoothly, give this beautiful ribbon effect on the hair, which we call the S-bend. So the final section, as you can see, around the outside of the styler, in, gently close, and then I'm just going to put that there, you get a clear picture, all the way out to the very, very tips, nice and smooth, and then let it fall. Okay, now I'm going to switch off the styler. Put it over here on my thermal mat to cool. Now I'm just going to leave this for about 10 minutes just to cool down and set. Then we'll come back and we'll dress it out with a large tooth comb. Everything's cooled down, and as you can see, we've got these lovely soft cascading waves. Now notice the length of the section gives us this S-type wave, and taking it around the outside of the barrel gives us the effect that we want in the finished result. So now I'm going to use a large tooth comb. Now what we don't do on this one is we don't go in and separate. We actually go through all the hair gently. So it's good to just get hold of the hair, just hold it away from the head, and right from the root just come through with one motion. One motion, all the way through, just gently, one motion. Turn round. Here we go. Round again so that you get a clear view. Just lifting the hair away. That's a little bit more. Make sure we've got all of it. There we go. In, right down to the scalp area and through. If you miss a little bit, don't worry, just go underneath and catch it again. And the same on this front area here. Okay, now what I'd like to do, and we'll just go back around to this side. I'm going to Okay, now I'm just going to swing this around, clearly see exactly what I'm doing. We said the beautiful, soft, gorgeous S-Wave from the Evolve Styler 32mm. Thank you for joining us today. See you again soon. Bye.